5 best ways to invest in gold in USA. If you're thinking about investing in gold, you're not alone. In times of uncertainty, inflation, or market volatility, gold becomes one of the most popular assets for protecting wealth. But here's the thing, buying gold isn't just about walking into a store and picking up a few coins. There are smarter, safer, and more strategic ways to do it. In este video, we're going to break down the 5 best ways to invest in gold in the United States, based on real investor feedback, expert insights, and ease of use. And let me tell you, what comes in the number 1 spot might completely change the way you think about gold. Let's dive into the ranking. Number 5, buying physical gold, coins and bars. This is the most traditional form of gold investment and still one of the most popular. Whether it's American Eagle coins or gold bullion bars, physical gold is something you can actually hold in your hand. That gives many investors peace of mind. You can buy from certified dealers, local coin shops, or online platforms like AppMex and JM Bullion. They ship securely and often include authentication certificates. People like this method because it's tangible. You're not relying on a company, just the metal itself.
But there's a downside.
You'll need secure storage, either at home with a safe or in a bank deposit box. That adds cost and responsibility. And if you ever need to sell quickly, it might not be as fast or simple as tapping a few buttons on your phone. That's why this method lands in the 5th position. Still, for those who value direct ownership and want to diversify outside the financial system, it's a solid choice. Number 4, gold IRAs, individual retirement accounts.
This is a clever way to combine 2 big goals: retirement planning and gold investment.
With a gold IRA, you invest in physical gold as part of your retirement portfolio, but with the tax benefits that come with a traditional or Roth IRA. Special custodians like Augusta Precious Metals or Goldco help set these up. You don't take the gold home. Instead, it's stored securely in IRS-approved vaults.
What's the catch?
You'll pay some fees upfront for setup, storage, and account management, but for many, the long-term tax advantages outweigh the short-term costs. Reviews often highlight the professionalism of these custodians and how they walk clients through the process step by step, especially helpful if you're not familiar with self-directed IRAs. This option is ideal for investors who already have retirement savings and want to protect a portion from inflation or stock market swings. And if that sounds like you, keep watching. There's an even simpler way to gain exposure to gold without paperwork or storage concerns. Number 3, gold ETFs, exchange traded funds. Now we're getting digital. Gold ETFs are one of the easiest ways to invest in gold without ever touching it. These funds track the price of gold, and you can buy shares using any standard brokerage account like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. The most well-known is SPDR Gold Shares, also known by its ticker GLD. It's backed by physical gold and designed to mirror the price of the metal almost perfectly.
Why do people love it?
Because it's liquid. You can buy and sell in seconds. No storage, no insurance, no shipping, and the fees are low, usually under 0.5% per year. This makes ETFs ideal for new investors or anyone who wants gold exposure in a diversified portfolio. Just keep in mind, when you invest in an ETF, you don't own the gold itself. You're holding shares in a trust that owns the gold. So if your goal is pure security or preparing for worst-case scenarios, you might prefer options further up the ranking. Still, as a fast, affordable entry point into the gold market, ETFs are hard to beat. But the next method, it combines flexibility with even more control. Number 2, gold mining stocks and mutual funds. Now we're entering higher risk, higher reward territory. Instead of investing in gold directly, this method focuses on companies that mine gold. Think names like Barrick Gold, Newmont Corporation, or Franco-Nevada. When the price of gold rises, these companies tend to become more profitable, which can send their stock prices even higher than the gold itself. You can invest in individual mining companies or choose gold-focused mutual funds and ETFs, like GDX or VanEck Gold Miners ETF.
So what's the benefit?
You're not just betting on gold. You're investing in businesses with revenue, dividends, and growth potential. But here's the flip side. These stocks are also affected by factors like labor strikes, geopolitical risks, and mining costs, so they can be more volatile than physical gold or ETFs. That's why many experienced investors use this method to complement their gold holdings, not replace them. And now let's talk about the number 1 way to invest in gold in the US, the one that offers simplicity, security, and full ownership without the usual hassle.
Number 1. Digital gold platforms.
This is the modern evolution of gold investing. Digital platforms like Vaulted, One Gold, or Gold Money allow you to buy and sell real gold online backed by physical metal stored in secure vaults.
You own the gold, not just a contract. But you don't have to deal with delivery, safes, or shipping insurance.
Everything is managed through an app or website, and when you're ready, you can even request physical delivery to your home. People love these platforms because they combine the safety of physical gold with the convenience of digital banking. You can start with small amounts, even just $50, and build your holdings over time. The user interfaces are intuitive, the fees are low, and everything is fully audited and transparent. For most everyday investors, this method offers the best balance between control, access, and peace of mind. And if this already sounds like a game changer, just wait until you try managing your gold like a digital wallet. So let's quickly recap the ranking. The Derasa at number 5, physical gold classic, but requires storage and security. At number 4, gold IRAs, perfect for long-term retirement protection. Number 3, gold ETFs, super easy and flexible for portfolio diversification. Number 2, gold mining stocks with potential for big gains but more volatility. And number 1, digital gold platforms, simple, secure, and perfect for modern investors. If you've been thinking about gold but weren't sure how to start, now you've got 5 solid options, each with its own strengths. And remember, the best method for you depends on your goals, your timeline, and how much risk you're comfortable taking. In the description below, you'll find useful tools and platforms that can save you time and help you compare options side by side. Give this video a like if you found it useful.
And subscribe for more practical content that helps you make smarter decisions with your money.